Today I am doing round 2 of my relaxer. I already got everything prepped this time. If you didn't see the first video of me doing my relaxer retouch fail, go ahead and check that out to see like what I'm using and stuff. But y'all can tell I'm not in the normal happy-go-lucky Tierra J mood. It's because I'm not in the mood. I am tired, I'm exhausted, my spirit's tired. We already have seen everything going on in the news, the killing of George Floyd, Breonna Taylor, Ahmaud Arbery, just so many more names that we don't even, you know, cases don't even come to light, cases don't get media attention. It's sickening. It's exhausting, it's sickening. I'm tired of it. My spirit has just been really tired lately, and that's why I just feel tired. I'm just tired. I'm exhausted. My ancestors is tired. You know what I'm saying? So that's what I wanted to talk about first and foremost. I just didn't even feel right like coming and making more content and making more videos without like saying what's on my mind and on my heart, and just using my voice for my brothers and sisters and just speaking up and speaking out against this. Just y'all don't even understand how upset this makes me. Like it's ridiculous. My people have been fighting for years and years and years, and it's still not over. Like, how primitive can we be? I just don't get it. I really don't understand. But we gotta take a stand. Everybody, me and my family, we went to a peaceful protest yesterday. It was amazing to be out there, you know, making a statement with our march and with our walk and with our voices. And I just really encourage you to stand up and do whatever you can do to be a voice. And I'm talking about all people. All people is out there fighting. All people is out there marching. All people is out there using their voice. All people is out there fighting for Black lives. Black lives matter. That's why we say that, because there is, always has been, a war on Black lives. And it's so evident, it's so clear, it's so mind-boggling how people don't see it, how people ignore it. We're simply standing up for Black lives, saying enough is enough. And we tired. Y'all can see it. We is just tired. As a people, we are freaking tired. I just want to encourage you out there to fight in any way that you know how for Black lives. Fight for justice, to fight for peace in any way that you can in your life. And for all my brothers and sisters out there, just be encouraged. Try to be encouraged and try to find some hope. And I just I hope you can find that. But yeah, let's go ahead and get into this hair. I am finally doing round 2 of my relaxer. I'm going back in. Yes, I am going back in and doing a chemical on already chemically treated hair. I know I'm crazy. It might all fall out. I don't know. I really don't even care at this point. If it do all fall out, I'll just cut it off and start over. It's not that big of a deal to me. But this time I'm going in and basing my entire scalp with Vaseline. Last time y'all seen the reason why my relaxer didn't come out like I wanted to is because it was burning really bad, like right here at the back, because I was scratching back there. So this time I'm just gonna go in and, like, you know, base my whole scalp, so hopefully I don't have more burning problems. Greased up, ready to go. I already have my relaxer mixed up. I used the Mazzani Butter Blend Relaxer, and I also mixed it with a little bit of conditioner. I didn't put as much as I did last time. I squirted 20 pumps of this in here, so not a lot at all. I didn't want to dilute it too much because last time it just didn't get as straight as I wanted it to. Alright, so I'm just gonna start at the back. If y'all can see, like, my hair is still like really poofy. You can tell that difference. Yeah, look at that. That's my relaxed hair. And that's my relaxed hair that I did last time, but it did not really take like I wanted it to. It's still poofy. It got wet a little bit at my baby's 3rd birthday party on the water side, and I just kept it like that. So you can still see, like, you know, it's still poofy and all of that. So I want to just go ahead and get it straight. Like, so let's cross these fingers. Let's pray that this comes out right this time and my hair just don't fall out. That's really what I'm praying for. Pray. was looking for last time, and I got it. I honestly didn't shed as much as I thought I would. This is all I got in shedding, so that's good. And I'm about to go in with the Mazzani conditioner, just deep condition my hair. I'm glad I went in a second time and did it over. This is what I'm talking about, honey. It's just hanging and swinging. Oh yes, girl, this is what I want. When my hair is wet, just for it to be nice and easy and breezy, and you can brush and run run your hands right through it. So I'm happy. I am so happy. And I'm also gonna go in with my Texlaxing conditioner just because I love this stuff. This Mazzani is actually alright. Last time I said I didn't like the Mazzani, but I think that's because my hair was poofier. But now maybe that is a little more straight. It's working better because it's pretty good. But I'm still gonna go in with a little Texlaxing just because I don't know. I be mixing my conditioners just because I love this stuff. And I like how it smells too. It just smells so good. So I'm gonna just put a little bit of that on it. Yes, ma'am. Look at that freshly relaxed girl. I'm gonna take my wet and dry brush and just brush all of that through. See, that's what I'm talking about. Something I can go front to back, like front to back with the hair, okay? Ain't nobody got time for all that detangling. This is why I went relaxed in the first place. Alright, so I've been letting my conditioner sit for some hours now. It's nice and hydrated. I'm gonna go ahead and see what it's looking like. Okay. Okay, yes. Little noodles come through. Yes, honey. Love it. Nice little wave pattern. This is exactly how I wanted it to be, so I'm super happy. And I could definitely see this being cute, like, you know, scrunching it up and diffusing it, having like a cute little wave, you know what I'm saying, a little water wave, a little sexy summer wave going on. So I am super happy with how my relaxer came out this time. But now I'm about to go ahead and rinse this conditioner out. Conditioning, still kind of poofy. Honestly, I'm not feeling that Mazzani relaxer. Maybe it's because I did the whole conditioner thing and diluted it, that it's not working quick enough. First I wanted to slow the relaxer down, that's why I added conditioner, and now it's just like way too slowed down. So it's still like a little bit of poofiness up in there, but I'm liking it because I still did want like texture. As y'all can see, I got a bunch of texture in there, so I'm really happy with my results, like really happy. I feel like this top part is more poofy than the rest, like just this top right part of my hair. The reason why this top right is the most poofy is because I started at the back and then I did this part next, and then I ran out of relaxer. I had to mix some more, but I didn't add as much conditioner. I just squirted like a couple times because I was rushing. So I only squirted like a couple squirts of conditioner, and then I did this side. So this side probably worked quicker than this side, and then the back worked quicker because it was sitting for the longest, if that makes sense. But nonetheless, I'm like really happy with my results. I'm really not sure what I want to do to my hair. I don't really feel like straightening it right now. It's late. It's about to be like 12 a.m. So I think I'm just gonna put my moisturizers in and do something with it tomorrow. But I am using the Apogee green tea and keratin reconstructor along with the leave-in conditioner. And then I'm also gonna put a little bit of argan oil in my hair too. So I just was playing around with like different products. Honestly, I'm still figuring out this whole relaxed life because I haven't really been doing too much to my hair. Throughout me being Texlax, I really just been like blowing it out and straightening it. I really haven't experimented like with my texture, like with my new wave pattern. So I just experimented with some products and scrunched it up, and I got this the look. I think it looks pretty good. I'm definitely gonna be working on my scrunch and go and, you know, trying out new products to really get it perfected. Then I'll come back with like a relaxed hair wash day routine so I can show y'all how I scrunch it and the products I find that work for me, the products that get these waves popping or whatever. This relaxer day was a success, and I do not have to go over this hair no more with no more chemicals. Just gonna be focusing on my new growth going forward. So I hope y'all enjoyed this video. Make sure to give it a thumbs up, comment down below, subscribe if you ain't subscribed, and I'll catch y'all in the next video. Peace.